this, that means I got my laptop back and I was able to post this, which is awesome. I'm so sorry I did not have a video up for you on Sunday. The laptop I was using is my mom's and just isn't the same. Like, didn't have any of my music on it for YouTube and all that stuff, and I was like, oh. I feel like I say today is a busy day in like all my videos, but I actually have to pack to go back to Indiana today. Harper also puked under my bed, so I have to clean that and maybe get my homework done if I have any. I do have any, but if I get it done. And hopefully have my laptop. Fingers crossed I have my laptop today or tomorrow so I can do some in Indiana. But yeah, I'm just going to finish like picking up my room for the morning and then maybe make breakfast. I don't know. But yeah, we'll just do a little time lapse of me cleaning my room. Yeah, I decided not to do time lapse, so we're just gonna freaking... I have 2 gift cards for scooters, or they're not gift cards, but like coupons, so I'm gonna go use one of these and get a coffee from there. Love scooters, so we're gonna go. Harper, you wanna go bye-bye? Let's see if she knows what I said. I don't even know what I said right there. Let's see. Wanna go bye-bye? Let's go bye-bye. Come on, let's go. Wanna go bye-bye? Now it's just hard to like get her in the car, so let's see if we can do that. Harper, I don't know, it's really dark in here, but Harper's in her car seat. There we go. Harper, look at me. She's her own car seat because she loves to look out the window. But yeah, let's go get coffee because I am so needing some caffeine right now. Oh my god, I'm definitely about to... Okay. Do you see? What's up, Harper? So when we go for car rides, she really loves to go, and that's why we have the car seat. She should be strapped in, but we just drive like really careful with her so she doesn't fly off. Harper. She's over here. I feel so awkward like having my phone out, like having them know that I don't know. It's fine, it's fine. Hey, how's it going? Can I get the super skinny turtle latte?
Yeah.
In a small.
Small?
Yeah.
Do you still want the whipped cream on top?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Does your dog want a dog treat?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. So cute.
Yeah, here you go.
I'll go right out.
Alright, thank you.
There you are.
Thank you.
Yeah, are you waiting on anything else?
Nope, that's it.
Okay, have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Oh, it's the sun. Free, small coffee. 2 extra shots of espresso. Stressed. I don't know what that means. Like, I mean, like, espresso, yeah, we'll see. We'll see how, that tastes. It smells really good. Like, I'm not gonna taste it yet. Okay, we're gonna try it. I haven't had this before from here, so it smells good. It's probably super strong. It's strong, but that's so good. Oh my god. It's actually so good. Like, usually I'm not the type of person who like loves super strong coffee, like the way it tastes, but this is so good. I just pulled up to the gym, so I'm gonna work out. Probably not get anything of me in there, but you know, just want to let you know that's where I am. See you after. I just got home from my workout and I got an email that my laptop was ready to be picked up from the Apple store, so I'm gonna go home, check on Harper because I've been here for like 2 hours. So I'm gonna go home, check on Harper, probably change my shirt and like my undershirt, put some jewelry in because I'm going down to the plaza, and then pick up my laptop, which means this video will be uploaded tomorrow on Wednesday. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I was so sad when I didn't get to upload on Sunday because I had a video but I didn't like it, so I just ended up deleting all the footage. But now I have something to post for you guys. Alright, so I'm gonna get off this and drive home. So I'm just looking up my, oh, I'm home, but I'm just looking up like my plane times and everything that I'm leaving on, like what time I'm leaving for on Thursday. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Everything looks good. and it's 2 o'clock, so I think I'm going to go pick up my laptop because by the time I get there and get back, it might be dark outside. I did play with Harper for a bit because I did not want her to be alone the whole time, so I haven't ate yet. I'm honestly not that hungry because of the coffee, so maybe on my way home I might stop and get something, or hopefully I can just wait it out till I get back. I'm going to get in the car and head to the Apple store to pick up my Mac. Oh my gosh, there's cars flying past me right now. Lighting's really bad. But I just got my laptop back. I'm so flippin' happy. Okay, I'm just gonna test it now and see if it turns on. It turns on. It turns on. I'm so happy. Now I can go home, but we don't have Wi-Fi, so I have to use my neighbor's Wi-Fi. Okay, yeah, but let's go home. I'm gonna make some avocado toast with an egg on top, and then I'll have dinner later, but that's just gonna be like a little lunch. It's just an avocado toast with a hard egg on top. It's seriously so good. And then I'll probably eat more after if I'm hungry because I've not had anything today. So, yeah. I'm home. I got my laptop. Look at this. Ugh, it works. I tried it. It's awesome. So happy. But now, if it'll focus. I know it's not focused. Okay. I need to start packing, but I need to clean up like this area. Just kind of pick up. It's not messy. Just need to put things away before I can get my suitcase, which I'm taking a big one because I'm going to be there, like, how many days am I going to be there? 6 days, almost a week, so I need more clothes than like a carry-on bag. And our 3-year anniversary is going to be up when I'm there, so I'm going to bring something nice, and hopefully we go to dinner somewhere. Not super nice, but I just want a cute outfit, so that's what I'm going to do, so yeah. Hello. I am finishing up my packing and I look like a mess. Oh my god. But I've got a lot done. I have like this jacket and then everything everything folded. So I honestly think I just need to put, I don't know. I just need to finish packing some things and then I'll be done with that. If you're wondering, you're probably not. But if you are wondering why I'm not packing tomorrow, it's because I have school in the morning and then work right after till 8 o'clock. I need to go to bed at a decent time because I need to be at the airport no later than 4:30 or 4. So that's going to be fun. I'm just going to watch some Netflix, but I am going to take a break and eat some dinner. I'm having these buffalo vegetarian chicken nuggets. No chicken, they're meatless, and I think they're from Morningstar, so I'm going to try one. This is my first time trying. I'm kind of scared. First time trying anything that's like meatless. Oh my god. That's actually so good. I wouldn't say it tastes like chicken, but like it's delicious. Like I'll definitely be buying these again. Wow. I'm good. I'm glad it didn't scar me. Okay, I'm going to watch Netflix, eat dinner, then finish packing. But everything is packed and I'm finished, so I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and finally seeing me upload because I'm so happy that I got to upload this and got my laptop back. But make sure you subscribe if you want to and like this video so I know you like videos like this. Or leave a comment down below to tell me what you want to see next. Make sure you follow my Instagram to stay posted because I do updates about this channel on there. And I'm starting to post more often, so make sure you follow. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.